It's a peacock.
Yeah.
It's a male or female?
That's a male. If they have all kinds of color like that, they're males. And don't throw so much. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay. Now roll down your window a little bit.
And give him bread?
And give him bread, yeah.
Mm.
Roll down your window a little more. Let him.
Might put his head inside.
Yeah, here comes the other one.
Yeah.
Roll down your window a minute.
I don't.
No, roll the window up a little bit and then turn and face me.
Yeah.
So I can see your face.
Yeah.
I can't see it. Yeah, there we are. That's now we've seen your face. Yeah. Okay, don't give them so many. Make them wait.
Yeah. What is that?
I don't know. We'll see. Roll your window down a little more. Stick your face out there. Yeah.
Smile.
Tell the llama to smile.
Smile, llama.
Okay.
Zebra.
Oh, here comes a zebra, and here comes some kind of an ox.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is zebra. Zebra. Ow!
Yeah.
Might bite my face. Smile. Put your hands up. Bear. You see. You wait.
Come on.
Come on, put your hands up. Is it dangerous?
Yes.
Maybe he's waiting for the bread.
Yeah, give me one.
Yeah. It's a huge bird. What's the name of that animal?
It's hard though. What are you doing here?